Hey guys, it's Janet here to talk to you about a card class that I am doing a product pre-purchase for, and we'll be ordering the class supplies on January 3rd. This card class features the Incredile Like You stamp set, and then this amazing card bundle that is designed to make beautiful cards using laser cut paper, has coordinating envelopes, and then this amazing storage envelope, and it's a really nice heavy plastic, and you'll see that in just a second. In addition to this package and the stamp set, the class also includes 2 ink pads. Lovely Lipstick and Coastal Cabana is what is recommended to coordinate with the designer papers and the products that are in that, and of course you'll be able to substitute if you already own those. This kit is from our spring catalog, and I know that it is going to be extremely popular. As with any of our occasions catalogs, whether it's holiday or spring, products are indeed while supplies last, and that's why I'm offering it now early as opposed to later like February or March, because we do want you to get your hands on this amazing kit. And the class is priced such that when you purchase the class, you'll be able to select a free item from Celebration. So let's take a look at all of the elements that are part of this card kit. And you're also going to then receive the supplies to make a few bonus cards. So here's that amazing envelope. It is self-standing. It has this beautiful white image on it. You can see where it is gusseted here, and you're going to be able to put your cards down inside. This is great because then you'll be able to set them on your kitchen counter, set them in a kitchen drawer, put them on your desk at work, and you'll have cards for last-minute card emergencies. So that's the envelope. There are some rhinestones in there, some glue dots. There are some dimensionals for you. In addition, all of the envelopes have a lining. Look how fun that is. And they're a nice sturdy white envelope, so you'll be able to stamp and embellish the front. You've got your pre-printed note cards, and they have different designs. I'll show them to you in just a second. So you have your pre-printed note cards, and then they are, oops, those are the laser pieces, and then they are white on the inside so that you don't have to worry about adding an additional white cardstock to the inside for your messages and things like that. So you're going to have that beautiful, and then just to show you kind of how easy these cards are going to go together is then look what happens now when you put that over the top. It just goes from pretty to wow in just seconds. So I love this watercolor wash look. So let's see. And look at this. It looks like bubbles, or the bokeh look. But let's go ahead and, so again, look at that look. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, Stampin' Up! Should just sell tons of these in packs. I love these ready-to-go card laser fronts. So I'm hoping that maybe we'll see something like that in future catalogs. I'm just so in love with them. Look at that. So with the beautiful flowers. And again, we can add more flowers. So this actually fits. Look at that. It's designed to cover those flowers exactly. And then, so you've got 4 each of 4 designs. So you're going to have 16 cards. So look at that. So then there are indeed more laser pieces than that. And we'll pull those out here in just a second. So here are the other laser pieces. You have this pretty lattice. And again, you can mix and match. The suggestions for how they go together are just that, suggestions. It's not required that you put them together exactly the way that they're shown. You have a lot of creative options for putting them together. So you've got all these beautiful lattices that are going to be a part of that. Now let's move those up and out of the way. You also have some glimmer paper that has the different banners size, and they're all ready to punch out and to use, and they'll work well with the dimensionals. You've also got some other fun elements to work with. There's all bunches of them. This one here, actually, you're going to want to make sure that you have our U-pick tool or a paper piercer on hand. Of course, you can always just use your fingers too, but look at that. So you've got these beautiful elements that you're going to be able to then embellish and add some more with. Sorry about that, guys. I don't think I was keeping it as well in front of the camera view as I would or could have. Then you have some great labels, and they do have a silver foil embossed ring around them, but they're also neutral on the other side with no ring. If you don't want to add that silver touch, you can just simply fold them over. And again, they're pre-done for you. All you do is punch them out. No punch, no big shot needed. We have some fun samples here for you, or not samples, tags for you. And again, they're printed on one side and blank on the other side. Little flowers, little tags, little labels. Some more pieces that you could actually just use then. And I mean, there's so many things in this kit that of course you can make these beautiful layered cards, but you can also then dress the cards down and save these pieces for other projects. And then a few more of those laser pieces. Again, there's 16 laser pieces to go with the 16 note cards. And then it does come with your instructions. There's also a video that will accompany this. And then again, like I said, there will be some bonus card projects for you to make that feature the lovely lipstick Coastal Cabana colors, as well as the Incredible Like You stamp set. So make sure that you use the link below for two things. One, to make sure that you get details on this class so that you can order it by January 3rd so that I can include you in the pre-purchase. And then make sure if you do not have a demonstrator that you work with, that you're using the link below to request a catalog. Also, make sure that you use the links below to check out my Memories and More Happiness Blooms card class that I'm doing a product pre-purchase for. And also make sure that you check out the link for my product shares to see the shares of all of the different ribbons, papers, and things like that that I'm offering right now as well. So thanks, guys.